What is the minimum transfer for Newton? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the minimum transfer for Newton. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to define what Newton is. Newton is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2017. It is a fork of Ethereum, and it is designed to be more scalable and efficient than Ethereum. Now that we have a basic understanding of what Newton is, let's get into the minimum transfer. The minimum transfer for Newton is 0.001 Newton. This means that you cannot send or receive a transaction that is less than 0.001 Newton. This is because the network has a minimum block size, and each transaction must be at least 1 byte in size. Why is the minimum transfer for Newton so low? The minimum transfer for Newton is low because it is designed to be a scalable and efficient cryptocurrency. By keeping the minimum transfer low, Newton can process more transactions per second than other. How can I send or receive Newton? There are a number of different ways to send or receive Newton. You can use a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase. You can also use a decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap. What are the fees for sending or receiving Newton? The fees for sending or receiving Newton vary depending on the exchange or wallet that you are using. However, the fees are typically very low. The minimum transfer for Newton is 0.001 Newton. This is because Newton is designed to be a scalable and efficient cryptocurrency. You can send or receive Newton using a cryptocurrency exchange or a decentralized exchange. The fees for sending or receiving Newton are typically very low. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more cryptocurrency content. I'll see you next time.